In this video, I'll show you how to record on LG TV. Step 1. Make sure your TV can record. Most LG WebOS TVs support recording with a USB storage device. Use a high-capacity USB flash drive or external hard disk. 32 gigabytes or larger is recommended. Step 2. Plug in a USB storage device. Insert USB drive into an available port on the TV. The TV may prompt you to format the drive. Follow the on-screen instructions. Step 3. Prepare to record a program. Tune to the channel or show you want to record. Press the record red dot button on your remote. Select the duration or program as prompted. Step 4. Schedule future recordings. Press Guide to open the program guide. Select a program and choose Record to set scheduled recording. Step 5. Play back your recordings. Press the Home or List button and go to Recordings or USB section. Choose your recording and press Play. Step 6. Troubleshooting. Recording may be disabled for streaming apps or some channels. If the USB drive isn't detected or recording fails, try reformatting it to NTFS or exFAT and reconnect. And that is how you record on your LG TV. I really hope this video was helpful. If it was, please let me know in the comments, and if it wasn't, really let me know, because I really want to give you the right solutions. If you have any questions, you can also leave them in the comments, and I would gladly appreciate any support you have by subscribing or liking the video. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.